Hello and welcome to this jewelry making course. In this course I will show you how to make a pair of earrings using these lava stones and a few findings. I will use some head pins and some fishhook ear wires. We shall also need some tools, and in order to make these earrings I will need some chain nose pliers, these chain nose pliers, round nose pliers and cutting pliers. So let's start making the earrings. The first step will be to take one of those pins, those head pins, and I will put the lava stone on the head pin. I will grab the pin and bend it like this. I will take the cutting pliers and cut a bit of the pin like this way. Now I will take the round nose pliers, grab the tip of the pin and start rolling. So I will open the loop like this. I will take the fishhook ear wire, put it on this loop like this, and I will close the loop. And the first earring is ready. Now I will take the second pin, put the lava stone on the pin. I will take the cutting pliers and cut the end of the pin. I grab the chain nose pliers and bend the pin to 90 degrees, like this. I will take the round nose pliers and start creating the loop. Before I close the loop, I put the fishhook ear wire on the loop. Now I will close the loop. And the second earring is also ready. So the earrings are both ready. So these are the finished lava stone earrings.